friend. Today I would like to share with you about topic of Inkscape software. What is Inkscape used for? Inkscape is free open source vector graphics editor for GNU, Linux, Windows, and Macintosh. It offers a rich set of features and it was used for both artistic and technical illustration, such as cartoon, lip art, logo, typography, programming, and flowcharting. Inkscape good for beginner. Inkscape will be the best choice for beginner or hobbyists, but it won't be suitable for experienced users. Some tools still require improvement. Read this Inkscape review about everything you should know about this free and open source vector graphic editor. Do you need Inkscape? Depends on how you intend to use your image. Either raster or vector graphic may better suit your needs. Inkscape is programmed for creating and editing vector graphics. People use it for fun projects such as map making, creating birthday cards, painting on art, 2D game graphics, and for many more purposes. Inkscape the same as Illustrator. Inkscape software and Illustrator software are generally used for the same purpose, that is vector graphics. Both are used by the graphic designer for making vector graphics and editing them, but each one has its own features which are different from each other. The different features make them different. Inkscape similar to Photoshop. Both Inkscape and Photoshop are vector graphic software used by professional photographers and designer. Inkscape is an open source software for working with vector graphics. Adobe Photoshop is the most popular software for designing, picture editing, and drawing. It offers free drawing mode for any level of work. Can you draw in Inkscape? The freehand drawing tool makes possible to draw directly onto the Inkscape canvas. Use the mouse or graphics tablet stylus. Depend on what and how you would like to draw. You can select the best tool for the task. The tools are not based on geometrical shape. You can draw exactly the shape you need. What file can Inkscape open? Inkscape natively support opening or importing many different formats such as SVG, SVCC, PDF, EPS, and AI Adobe Illustrator format. And version 0.91 Inkscape can import CDR, Corel Draw, and VSD Visual natively. How much does Inkscape cost? Free community. Inkscape is free. By this we mean it's free of cost, free to use and distribute, and open to pick into source code. The download page listed the review as well as some developmental and source code links. Do professionals use Inkscape? You can definitely use Inkscape for professional design. In fact, many professional designers prefer Inkscape because it helps them keep production costs low while getting a world-class vector editing program. All vector graphic software function in similar way. They can come from a common philosophy. Inkscape a good program. Inkscape a great free program for creating vector scalable graphics that won't blur when you design them. It's so good, in fact, that it's just alternative to the million tools like Adobe Illustrator. Is Inkscape easier than Illustrator? Inkscape with a less busy interface. Inkscape is far more friendly for users to jump right in and start creating. Illustrator will to make it ideal for drawing. Let Inkscape work on Windows 10. Inkscape available for Microsoft Windows operating system from XP up to Windows 10. One method is downloading and installing directly from Inkscape, and the other is installing it from Microsoft App Store. Can I use Inkscape on iPad? Link Plus is an adaptation for iPhone and iPad of the app Inkscape, which is a free and open source vector graphic editor. As such, Link Plus inherits Inkscape feature. It has sophisticated drawing tool with capability comparable to Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw, and Sara Extreme. What is the most basic tool in Inkscape? The most frequently used Inkscape tool is the selector. Click the topmost button with the arrow on the toolbar, or press F1 or toggle the tool you inspect. Now you can select any object on the canvas. Remember, subscribe to see the next video. Thank you.